Hello, my name is Mike Perrone, and today I'm speaking to you on behalf of the New Jersey Foundation for Open Government. The time is rapidly approaching when it will be possible to make all public records available online, along with free tools to manage, print, sort, import, export, total, and subtotal the data. CR Search is probably the first tool of this kind. As you can see here, we have the ability to sort by a number of fields. There are who is the data for, in this case Union County, New Jersey, what check ID, what is the date that the check was written, what is the vendor ID, the vendor name, a purchase order number against which the check was written, a description of the check or its purpose, and of course its amount. And we have the ability to sort by any of these fields. So for example, if I click on sort above the word amount, it goes through the data. There's 68,000 records here, and in about a minute's time it will sort all the data by amount order. But in addition to sorting by the various fields, purchase order number, description, vendor name, date, we can also do a search through the data. So for example, if we wanted to search in the description, we'll just give this another second here to finish loading. We would click in the description field and type for what we're looking for, or in the vendor name or the purchase order number. I'm going to click in the description field and just type in meals and press enter. And the program automatically finds every description that has the word meals in it and sorts it and gives you a total down here where it says total amount. But we could just as easily go to vendor name and put in, for example, Blue Cross. Press enter, and it'll search through the data and tell me, here's all the checks that were written to Blue Cross and Blue Shield. What if I want to sort this information or subtotal the information by date? You'll notice I can click here and say include subtotals and subtotal dates by month, and then click on the sort tab above date. Now I've kept the Blue Cross as a filter on this data, and you can see it tells me how much money was spent in each month with Blue Cross and Blue Shield. And as I scroll down, the last record is for August of 2008, which is the last amount of data that I have in the system right now, and you'll see the total amount is $59 million. I could also, for example, pick a year. Let's limit it to 2008. And now I have the data just for 2008. This program also allows me to select rows and print them, select rows and export them. If I click on Get Data Sets, it'll show me what data sets are currently available. Right now, we have data sets for Salem County, Union County, Warren County, White Township, Edgewater Park Township, and the Highlands Council. And I have about a half a dozen more on their way as we speak. So this program makes the data available to the public in a way they're not used to before. Prior to this, if you wanted to know how your money was spent, you'd have to look at a stack of paper that might be 5 or 6 feet high. And how do you make sense of a stack of 5 or 6 feet high of paper? With a program like this, you can sort the data, you can total the data, you can search the data, you can filter the data, you can export the data to Excel and make graphs, whatever it is that you'd like to do. So this is the direction that I hope that governments will be going in as time goes by, that we'll be taking this data and not just making it available as raw data, but making it available packaged with the program to manage the data, to view the data, make sense of the data, and truly make the public aware of how their money is spent, or, well, this particular program looks at check registers, but there's no reason we couldn't do the same thing with purchase orders, any of the public data that government keeps. So I hope you found the presentation interesting. If you want to get more information, you can go to the New Jersey Foundation for Open Government's website, njfog.org, or you can, if you want to download this particular program, you can go to watchdogtools.com. Thank you.